In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to Wells Fargo. Step 1. Gather Wells Fargo bank details. Get the recipient's account number, routing number, full name and bank address. Step 2. Log into Wise. Open Wise app or website and sign in with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 3, start a new transfer. Click send money and enter the amount and currency you wish to send. Step 4. Add the recipient of the Wells Fargo account. Select Add Recipient, then fill in the Wells Fargo bank details and save the recipient for later use. Step 5. Review transfer details. Check recipient info, transfer amount, fees, exchange rate, and estimated delivery time. Step 6. Choose payment method and confirm. Select Wise Balance, linked bank or card, then authorize and send the transfer. Step 7. Track transfer status. Monitor the transfer programs in Wise until funds reach your Wells Fargo account. This is usually 1 to 3 business days. Now I have some tips for Wise to Wells Fargo transfers. Always double check account and routing numbers. For large transfers, watch for Wise and Wells Fargo notifications and contact support if any issues occur. You can also leave a question in the comments down below and I'll try to help you. Now that was it for this video, how to send money from Wise to Wells Fargo. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.